Hey everybody, so today we're going to test the Dser Robogeek 21T on carpet. We're going to use dog food for our pickup debris. What we're going to do today is we're going to kind of spread it around. We're going to let the robot run. It is a random navigation robot, so we're going to see how well it does at picking up the dog food. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, so as you can see, I spread around the dog food here, kind of all over the place. And we're going to see how well it does on carpet. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. We're going to use the remote here, and we're going to go ahead and press auto. Alright, so the Robogeek just finished in the master bedroom. Once again, this is a random navigation robot. So let's see how well it did. We'll start off over in this corner. You can see there's some kind of along the wall there. A couple pieces over here. Looks like we have a couple pieces over in this corner area here. In the large open area, it did pretty well. I'm not seeing any straggly pieces except for maybe right here and along the closet door there. But other than that, I think it did pretty decent. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment below. This was what's left in the corner here. I think it did pretty well. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time. Yeah.